Flex-O what? Flex-O-Vit, manufacturers of world-class abrasive products for the industry, with state-of-the-art, highly automated manufacturing facilities in the United States and Canada, and 4 regional sales offices in North America. Flex-O-Vit is everywhere. Flex-O-Vit abrasive products are designed, 1. For maximum performance, 2. To give maximum safety for the operators, 3. To reduce labor cost, 4. To give you the best quality of abrasive products available today, 5. And last but not least, Flex-O-Vit abrasive products offer you the best value for your dollar.
Very good. All right, very good.
Purchasing is done on a worldwide scale to select vendors who can provide the highest quality raw materials. In addition, every shipment is lab tested in-house to confirm that the materials meet the high standards required for products bearing the Flex-O-Vit name. As part of these high standards, Flex-O-Vit USA processes its own fiberglass reinforcing. After the raw materials are approved, the mixing department combines the grain with the bonding agents and the fillers. This takes place in a climate-controlled environment. The mixes are made with proprietary formulations and will be subjected to a very close inspection before they move to the next stage, the press room. Here, the mix is poured into molds and fiberglass reinforcing is added before pressing the grinding wheels. All Flex-O-Vit presses are designed in-house, so the pressing of the wheels is done to Flex-O-Vit's standards. Here, the first balance test is being performed. Again, another step to maximize the quality control of every abrasive wheel. After pressing, the wheels are again inspected before being loaded onto the racks. The wheels are then baked for about 24 hours in state-of-the-art ovens. This procedure is monitored by a computer-controlled system. At the same time, data is stored on every production run to help control the wheel quality. After they come out of the oven, every batch is inspected for A. Balance. This is very critical, because the better the balance, the better the wheel performance. Especially under heavy-duty grinding or cutting conditions, better balanced wheels will run smoother and will give the operator more control over the job. B. Flatness. The wheels have to be very flat, so the operator will get maximum performance. C. Appearance. A top-quality product not only has to perform the best, it also has to look the best. Flex-O-Vit makes sure that their products meet both criteria. Flex-O-Vit's depressed center wheels are available with a throwaway hub. These hubs are, like many other integral parts of either the production process or products, designed to meet Flex-O-Vit standards. As you can see, they are made in-house. After inspection, the wheels are packaged in cardboard boxes, provided with box labels, and stacked on pallets so they can be shipped to one of the regional sales offices. Every Flex-O-Vit abrasive wheel is made to very close tolerances that guarantees superior performance and consistent quality, much better than the industry standards. Every Flex-O-Vit abrasive product is designed to fit a specific power tool and will not require washers or other modifications. We offer a wheel for every power tool that is designed for abrasive products. Every abrasive wheel has its limitations, but when you put Flex-O-Vit's product on the right machine and use it for the application for which it is designed, you will not find a safer or more productive product.
Hi, my name is Tom Morgan. I represent Flex-O-Vit, and we offer a full line of abrasive products.
Me too!
Flex-O-Vit has an abrasive product for every application.
Me too!
We make user-friendly products.
Me too.
Me too.
Flex-O-Vit products are manufactured with maximum built-in safety.
Me too.
We have factory-trained salespeople in the field and in the office. Flex-O-Vit's abrasive products are made in America. We sell only through selected distributors. All of our standard products ship within 24 hours, guaranteed. Flex-O-Vit abrasive products offer the highest value for money.
Whereas other suppliers try to sell on price or name, Flex-O-Vit USA sells on pure performance and will give the user the best value for their dollar.
Flex-O-Vit is not a Me Too company.
Now, let us introduce to you our top quality products. We'll start with the basics of abrasive products. All Flex-O-Vit abrasive products are made with the finest quality raw materials, carefully selected and tested by our engineering staff. To manufacture depressed center and cut-off wheels, we use aluminum oxide or silicon carbide abrasive grain. They work as tiny cutting tools, chipping away material they are exposed to. Aluminum oxide is a boxy type of grain that is tough and has reasonably sharp edges. It is used for grinding and cutting of metal and other ferrous products, from regular or mild steel to hard carbon or stainless steel. Silicon carbide is a very sharp abrasive grain that is less tough and therefore fractures easily. This property is needed for grinding and cutting non-ferrous materials such as bronze, aluminum, brass, concrete, and plastics. In addition to abrasive grain and bondings, Flex-O-Vit depressed center and cut-off wheels contain fiberglass reinforcing that comes in different thicknesses and strengths and is used to keep the wheels together under extreme conditions and at high speeds. Reinforcing material is carefully selected in order to give maximum protection to the operator in tough situations and at the same time allow extremely high performance. All Flex-O-Vit depressed center and cut-off wheels are reinforced so they can be used on power tools. So now, let's talk about each of these fine abrasive products. This is a depressed center wheel. Depressed center wheels come in 3 different shapes: Type 27, Type 28, and Type 29, of which the Type 27 is the most popular. The Type 27 is designed to grind at a 45-degree angle or cut at a 90-degree angle. The Type 28 is designed to provide the proper grinding angle when grinding flat. The Type 29 is more effective on contoured surfaces. Depressed center wheels are used on right-angle grinders, and this is the way they're mounted. Make sure the wheels fit properly. They go on the correct size grinder, and the safety guard is properly mounted. As you can see here, our hubs are designed to seat the wheel all the way down on the spindle. Depressed center wheels are designed to either grind or cut, and they can remove all types of materials aggressively and rapidly. Flex-O-Vit's depressed center wheels come in many different specifications for use on a variety of materials and at the same time offer the operator maximum performance. They are used for weld grinding, surface conditioning, notching, cutting, and general stock removal of regular mild steel, cast iron, hardened steel, aluminum, brass, bronze, or stainless steel. They are also used on concrete or masonry products. Depressed center wheels are supplied with either a straight arbor hole or with a specially designed true drive throwaway hub with a 5/8 thread that will simplify mounting the wheels on machines. This is the Flex-L, a semi-flexible grinding and finishing wheel. It is also a depressed center wheel, but it has been designed to flex a little, whereas a normal depressed center will not. The Flex-L is a very versatile grinding wheel and a perfect workmate for right-angle grinders in both grinding and finishing operations. It will grind like a very aggressive depressed center wheel and by adjusting the grinding angle, will blend in a paint-ready finish like a resin fiber disc. The Type 29 Flex-L will follow contoured surfaces. It will not load on soft materials like aluminum, bronze, or copper. It will also not glaze on hard materials such as stainless steel. The Flex-L has a very impressive grinding ratio, easily outperforming other semi-flexible wheels in wheel life and grinding speed. It is the only semi-flexible wheel on the marketplace that comes with a 5/8 11 throwaway spin-on hub that does not require a backup pad. Because of its light weight, it will run smoother. It will reduce operator fatigue with less wear and tear on the machine. Remember, always make sure that operators wear protective gear and have safety guards in place on the grinders. These are Flex-O-Vit's resin fiber discs or sanding discs. They are used on angle grinders with backup pads, as shown here. Resin fiber discs come coated with aluminum oxide for fast and cool grinding and finishing of metal products, and with zirconia alumina for extra heavy-duty action and extremely long life on stainless steel. These discs come in sizes from 4 inches, 4.5 inches, 5 inches, and 7 inches to 9 1/8 inches, and in grit sizes from 24 to 120 grit. Flex-O-Vit's discs are made in a unique way and offer such features as shape control for better grinding action, precision balance to ensure maximum performance at high speeds, and heavy-duty fiber to offer extra toughness and strength. The performed shape of the discs will change when they dry out or become moist. That is why our discs are shrink-wrapped in plastic. Flex-O-Vit's resin fiber discs are used for the following applications: for smoothing and blending of welds, for light stock removal on soft and non-ferrous metals, as well as on stainless steel and fiberglass. They are extremely popular on contoured surfaces such as car and truck bodies. When the job requires the use of a lot of resin fiber discs and is primarily done on flat surfaces or light contours, you might want to consider the latest success in coated abrasive technology from Europe, Zircotex Super Flap Discs, the new grinding generation. These Super Flap discs are an excellent workmate for portable angle grinders. Heavy-duty zirconium cloth flaps are layered at an angle on a concave-shaped aluminum backing plate. Zircotex combines the heavy grinding action of a depressed center wheel with the finishing characteristics of a resin fiber disc and makes it a very versatile product. The results? Fewer disc changes. It replaces up to 30 resin fiber discs. The Type 29 shape allows the full use of the abrasive flaps. No expensive backing pads required. Cool, burn-free grinding on stainless steel. Makes very little noise, is very light in weight, and offers the best value for money. The Zircotex is used for flat and light contour grinding, weld removal, deburring, surface preparation, and finishing. It can be used on a wide variety of materials such as mild steel, cast iron, sheet metal, aluminum plastics, and works especially well on stainless steel. Plugs, cups, and cones are aggressive grinding products that are used on straight or angle grinders. They are designed for snagging, cleaning, and internal grinding of castings or concrete and masonry products. Plugs, cones, and cups are used on heavy-duty work in shipyards, in foundries, or at construction sites. Flex-O-Vit's cup stones come only with a metal backing plate for safety of the operator. Pencil grinder wheels, also called die grinder wheels, are small grinding and cutting wheels between 2 and 4 inches in diameter. They are used on die grinders, small wheel grinders, and some flexible shaft end grinders. These reinforced grinding and cutting wheels are used for a variety of metal cutting and grinding, blending, and smoothing operations. They are indispensable tools for production, construction, and maintenance at refineries, power plants, foundries, and fabrication shops. Flex-O-Vit pencil grinder wheels are one of the few brands that are specified by numerous government-controlled power plants. because they perform better and offer the best value for your money. This is a Flex-O-Vit cutoff wheel for dry cutting on chop saws. It is built like all other Flex-O-Vit products to help the operator to cut quickly and trouble-free. It is fiberglass reinforced, flat, well-balanced, and rigid to give a fast, clean, and safe cut on chop saws. Every metalworking shop, maintenance shop, or machine shop, indeed any industry that must cut metal, will use a chop saw. Flex-O-Vit cutoff wheels are designed to enhance the performance of these popular 12, 14, or 16-inch saws. In most cutoff operations, a faster, cooler cut can be achieved by minimizing the contact area. Remember also to securely clamp the workpiece. To use the proper mounting flanges, to make sure the flanges are tight, and to use the blotters that are provided with every Flex-O-Vit cutoff wheel. This is a Flex-O-Vit abrasive stud cutter blade. It is a reinforced cutoff wheel used on 12, 14, or 16-inch chop saws. Flex-O-Vit's stud cutter wheels are specifically designed to help the contractor cut through stud bundles fast and effectively without using a lot of the wheel. The wheel can, of course, be used for other thin-wall metal applications. In recent field comparison tests, Flex-O-Vit's stud cutters cut 40% faster and lasted 2.7 times longer than other U.S.-made cutoff wheels, whereas most 14-inch wheels cut only 7 to 9 times through a bundle before those bundles had to be flipped over in order to cut through. The Flex-O-Vit stud cutters cut up to 25 times in one stroke through the bundles before those bundles had to be flipped over. There is simply no better value for your abrasive dollar available today. Always make sure the work is securely clamped, that proper flanges are used, and that they are tight, and that the blotters are used that come separately with every Flex-O-Vit cutoff wheel. This is a cutoff wheel for dry cutting on stationary cutoff machines. Like all other Flex-O-Vit abrasive wheels, this product is fiberglass reinforced. These wheels are designed to be used exclusively on dry stationary chop stroke and oscillating cutoff machines where the workpiece is fixed and the plane of the wheel is controlled. These machines are available for use with wheels 10 inches and larger. Flex-O-Vit offers cutoff wheels from 10 to 26 inches in diameter. Perhaps no other product has exemplified the technological advances of abrasive cutting over other cutting methods more during the past 3 decades. Flex-O-Vit has contributed a great deal to these developments during our 14 years of manufacturing these high-performance cutoff wheels for industry. Drawing from this wealth of expertise, we have developed a comprehensive program of general-purpose cutoff wheels for cutting structural steels, bar stock, tubing, mild stainless steel, and non-ferrous products such as bronze, brass, and aluminum. Always comply with ANSI safety codes for abrasive products and never exceed the maximum speed listed on every Flex-O-Vit abrasive wheel. This is a reinforced abrasive cutoff wheel for circular saws. They come with 2 different arbor holes to fit on regular 5/8-inch shafts or diamond arbors of worm drive machines. Flex-O-Vit's circular saw blades will transform any circular saw into a fast, effective, economical tool to cut steel in sheet, bar, or profile stock, or concrete, brick, and masonry products. Contractors working on sheet metal, roof deck siding, or construction site metal fabricators and other users can select from several specifications to get the right wheel for their job. Whether working on mild steel, stainless steel, hardened steel, sheet metal, siding, roof deck, or concrete products, Flex-O-Vit has the right wheel and will give the best value for their dollar. This is a Flex-O-Vit high-speed blade, perhaps one of the most popular cutoff wheels around. These wheels are used on high-speed gasoline and electric saws, like the one you see over here. The versatility of these high-speed saws makes them an indispensable tool for any contractor. The proper blade can cut nearly anything: concrete, tile, brick, masonry, ceramic, steel, cast iron, or ductile piping. Flex-O-Vit high-speed blades are designed to offer the operator a fast and safe cut with a wheel that will last 35 to 40% longer than the competition. Our wheels are primarily used by building contractors, but are also used in road construction, in railroad jobs, cutting rail track, and by contractors in the sewer and water pipe business. Since high-speed machines run at a much higher speed than other cut-off saws, always make sure that you offer the right wheel. Better safe than sorry. High-speed saws can be very dangerous when used with the wrong wheels. To get maximum performance, always check air filters and the tension of the belt. The flanges must be flat and clean and should clamp the wheels firmly. This is an abrasive blade for road or walk-behind saws. It goes on a 12, 14, or 18-inch road saw machine and is made of silicon carbide abrasive for extra sharp cutting characteristics. Road saw blades are inexpensive work tools for dry cutting cured or green concrete and asphalt as an alternative to expensive diamond blades. Flex-O-Vit's road saw blades come in 12, 14, and 18-inch, but the 14-inch is by far the most popular. 3 basic specifications are available to make sure that the contractor can cut green concrete, cured concrete, and asphalt. Because there are low and high-powered saws available, Flex-O-Vit makes wheels for both types of machines when cutting expansion joints, new road construction, road maintenance, and repairs. All Flex-O-Vit road saw blades come with a single drive pinhole. As always, it is very important to make sure that all safety rules are being followed when using abrasive blades. This abrasive saw blade is built for dry cutting on masonry saws. It is available in 14-inch, 18-inch, or 20-inch diameters and can cut materials such as fire clay, cement, cinder block, granite, marble, or terracotta. Depending on the specification of the blade you use, Flex-O-Vit's masonry abrasive saw blades are a very economical alternative for the expensive diamond blades. They cut extremely fast, last long, and are low in price. All wheels are made with fast-cutting silicon carbide abrasive grain and are fully reinforced for on-the-job safety. This is a vitrified bench grinding wheel. It mounts on a bench or pedestal grinder that is used for offhand grinding and sharpening of small hand tools and tool bits. Our bench grinding wheels are made out of aluminum oxide or silicon carbide abrasive and come in 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, and 14-inch diameters. All are packaged individually and come with a reduction bushing set nested in the wheel. These bushing sets will offer the user the option to use our wheels on 3 or 4 different spindle sizes just by knocking out the rings that are not needed. Bench grinders are used in almost every plant, machine shop, repair shop, or maintenance department. That is why bench grinding wheels are an important part of each supplier's abrasive program. These are wire brush cups and wheels, made out of the finest grade tempered brush wire available today. Flex-O-Vit brushes are used on bench or pedestal grinders, straight and right angle grinders, and are very popular for use on mini grinders. Wire brushes are designed to clean rust, weld beads, and other impurities from metal products. They come in 3 different styles: standard twist, full cable twist, and stringer bead twist. 4 shapes are available: wheels, cups, end brushes, and handheld brushes. The brush wires are carbon steel or stainless steel for use on either regular steel or stainless steel. It is very important that the right wire is used to avoid any problems with contamination of the workpiece. Wire brushes are used in a wide variety of applications in the welding and in the construction industry and also in other industrial applications. You will find wire brushes everywhere metal products must be surface cleaned of impurities. And of course, Flex-O-Vit wire brushes will do all these jobs trouble-free. Just remember that brushes are to clean and not to remove metal, and that the best results are obtained by letting the end of the wire do the job. Do not jam the brushes into the workpiece, and do not use a lot of pressure. These are Flex-O-Vit's floor sanding and maintenance products, especially designed for the rental industry. They are used on floor sanders, floor edgers, floor maintenance machines, belt sanders, and handheld sanders. All these products are used on hardwood floors, other wood products, and concrete floors to strip, to sand, to scrub, to clean, to buff, to finish, or to polish. In short, Flex-O-Vit offers total floor care. Flex-O-Vit's program offers floor sanding sheets in 6 different shapes for all kinds of floor sanding machines. Floor sanding and edger discs in 5 diameters for edger and maintenance machines. Sanding belts for portable belt sanders in 3 sizes and 5 specifications. Sandpaper sheets, mesh screen, steel wool pads, and nylon floor pads for use on floor maintenance machines. Since there are so many different types and sizes of machines and so many different types of jobs to do, it is very important to make sure that you give your customer the right product for their job. A few practical safety hints when working on wooden floors. Sanding dust is extremely combustible. Never smoke or have open flames while sanding or applying finish. Countersink all nail heads before sanding. Provide adequate ventilation and sweep or vacuum the floor prior to applying the floor finish. Okay, now you have seen that all Flex-O-Vit abrasive products are designed to offer the operator maximum performance, maximum built-in safety, the products that will reduce labor costs, the right product for every application, most user-friendly abrasive products available today, and last but not least, the best value for their abrasive dollar. Whether your customer wants to cut faster or needs a product to last longer, Flex-O-Vit has the right product for you. When selling Flex-O-Vit products to end users, simply ask them, A, what power tools do you use? B, what are you going to do with them? And C, what do you want to accomplish? All abrasive manufacturers will show you reports on how well their products perform against the competition. We believe that the real test is on the shop floor and not in the laboratory. Let the operator tell you how good Flex-O-Vit's products are. He is our best spokesman. He will tell you who really has the best products. After you have introduced Flex-O-Vit products to your customers, you have closed the door on the competition. Flex-O-Vit. Abrasive products that will guarantee you repeat business.